In this video, I will show you how to use a simple prompt formula to create effective prompts. So you can direct AI to generate cinematic visuals that match your vision. It will help save you time and credits. Before we dive in, I want to briefly explain how AI actually takes your prompts and why sometimes it gives you results that feel off or nothing like what you imagined. AI doesn't read your sentence like a person would. Instead, it breaks your words into smaller pieces called tokens. Each token is like a tiny building block of meaning. Example prompt: a cute fox wearing a hat sitting in a field of flowers. The AI breaks that into parts, like cute, fox, hat, field, and flowers, and looks at each one as a separate instruction. It doesn't know what a fox looks like, but it has seen millions of examples tagged with words like these, so it starts making educated guesses based on what it's learned. Then it builds the image using those guesses, like stacking little blocks together to match your prompt. But here's the catch. AI doesn't just use your words. It often fills in extra details based on what it expects to see. So even if you don't say sunlight or grass, it might add those anyway, because it's seen fox in a field 1,000 times, and that's what usually goes with it. So if any part of your prompt is vague, unclear, or too broad, AI will guess, and that's when things can go off track. Think of prompting like film a director. You don't just describe the scene, you direct it. You tell the AI who's in it, where it takes place, what's happening, and what mood or emotion it should create. Now let's dive into the formula and see how each part of a prompt can change your results. The formula looks like this: subject plus action plus environment plus style or mood. Let's start simple. Here's the prompt: a lion. AI generated 4 different images of lions, all in different environments. That's because, like I mentioned earlier, the AI adds extra details based on what it expects to see. Now we try a lion roaring in the savannah. Now we're getting more consistent results. All 4 lions are clearly roaring. Adding an action helps anchor what the AI should show. Now we get specific. A lion leaping toward the camera across the savannah, dust flying behind. The AI now added a sense of motion, direction, and energy because we gave it clear, visual cues. Finally, a lion peacefully sleeping under a tree in the savannah. Here, the action completely shifts the mood. All 4 images feel calm, soft, and still. Action doesn't just add movement, it also shapes the emotion of the scene. Now let's increase the complexity of the prompt and look at the results. Take a look at the prompt for the dragon scene and the results. The scene includes a white dragon flying over a modern city, breathing fire. You've got action, environment, and subject. It's descriptive enough to work. But notice what's missing. No camera angle, no lighting direction. It feels flat, like a random fantasy illustration, not a scene with impact. Now look at this version. Same idea, but now we've added angle, mood, lighting, and style. You can feel the difference instantly. The scene has drama. The low-angle shot makes the dragon feel powerful. The stormy sky and lightning add motion and mood. Reflections and shadows bring realism. This feels like a movie frame. So why does this version of the dragon prompt generate a better result? First, it adds perspective. The low-angle cinematic shot tells the AI where the viewer is looking from. Second, it gives context. Mentioning skyscrapers, fire, and city streets helps anchor the dragon in a specific environment. Third, it boosts visual drama. Lightning, reflections, and glowing fire add motion, contrast, and energy. And finally, the style is locked in. Phrases like hyper-realistic and high-detail concept art guide the look and tone of the image. Together, these elements create a scene that feels powerful and intentional, like a frame from a movie. Now you've seen how these techniques help us create cinematic images of dragons, dinosaurs, and lions, with consistency and strong visual impact. We can easily create a sequence of scene images and put them together to make a short video or film-like clip. With the right prompts, the images flow like frames from a movie. In my next videos, I'll show you how to create consistent characters and sequence your images to build short cinematic clips. We'll also cover why different AI platforms react differently to prompts. The core prompt structure, like the S.E.A.L formula, still works across tools, but the effectiveness of certain keywords, styles, and formatting can vary from one platform to another. I'll break it down and show you how to adapt your prompts for popular AI platforms, so you get better results no matter what tool you're using. Take a look at my image library. Using this technique, I was able to generate beautiful results with nearly every prompt. If you want better results, don't just describe your scene. Direct it. The more clearly you guide the AI with structure, intent, and imagination, the closer the output will match your vision. Let's quickly recap the prompt formula we've been using. Subject plus action in an environment, captured from a camera angle, with lighting, in a specific style, and finished with a mood or emotion.